Will Apple Vision Pro flop? 5 reasons I'm skipping this $3,500 headset. Mixed reality check. Apple Vision Pro is dropping jaws and breaking wallets, literally. With its insane $3,500 price tag, it's more luxury gadget than everyday essential. But even if I had Elon Musk-level bank accounts, I'd still hold off on this headset. Here's why. 1. Bank breaker, not game changer. Let's face it, $3,500 is enough to buy a car, not a fancy headband. Add prescription lenses, and you're looking at a small mortgage payment strapped to your face. While the tech is impressive, this is a serious investment for something that might just gather dust. 2. Comfort? TBD, imagine dropping thousands on a headset that feels like wearing a bowling ball on your head after 10 minutes. That's the concern here. Early hands-on reports, like Ben Sinn's, highlight potential comfort issues. Unless I can try it in a futuristic Apple store before committing, it's a hard pass. 3. visionOS, Mac deja vu. The hardware screams innovation, but visionOS feels like a recycled Mac OS slapped on VR goggles. Touch gestures and mixed reality experiences deserved a bolder, more intuitive interface. Sure, it's pretty with its fancy transparent elements, but pretty doesn't justify the price tag. 4. More gadgets, more hassle. This high-tech helmet won't magically replace your existing devices. My trusty Macs, phone, tablet, and even my beloved Asus ROG Ally will still be my daily companions. Vision Pro feels like an expensive add-on, not a revolutionary replacement. 5. The why factor. Ultimately, Vision Pro needs a killer app, a reason to ditch everything else and dive into its virtual world. Right now, the why is missing. Maybe that'll change, but until then, I'm content with my current tech ecosystem, minus the hefty financial headache. Apple Vision Pro might be a glimpse into the future, but with its current price and limitations, it's a future I'm happy to observe from afar. Maybe next time, Apple, focus on making mind-blowing tech that doesn't also break the bank end, well, my neck.